Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a mini heart in a very simple and easy way. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start with a magic ring. So hold the yarn in your left hand, then place the yarn tail on your middle finger and wrap the yarn around your middle finger to form a cross. Secure the cross using your thumb. Now grab your hook, then insert it underneath the loop on your middle finger. Pull the working yarn through the loop on your middle finger and twist it like this, so you'll have a loop on your hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop on your hook. And that's your magic ring. Now we're gonna make 2 more chains to make a total of 3 chains. And now we have 3 chains. So now, let's start making our stitches into the magic ring. We're gonna make 3 double crochets first. To make a double crochet, yarn over. And then insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull it through the magic ring. Now we have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And this is our first double crochet. We're gonna repeat this 2 more times to make a total of 3 double crochets. So now we have 3 double crochets. Now we're gonna make 3 half double crochets. To make a half double crochet, yarn over. And then insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull it through the magic ring. Now we have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we've made 1 half double crochet. So just like this, we're gonna make 2 more half double crochets into the magic ring. So here we have 3 double crochets first, followed by 3 half double crochets. And now we're gonna chain 2. So that completes the first side of our heart. And now we're gonna make an identical side over here on the right. Next, we're gonna make 3 half double crochets. So yarn over and insert your hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull it through the magic ring. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we've made the first half double crochet. Then let's make the second half double crochet. And then make the third one. So we have 3 half double crochets here. And now we're gonna make 3 double crochets. So let's make the first double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. So just like this, we're gonna make 2 more double crochets into the magic ring for a total of 3. After making a total of 3 double crochets, we're gonna chain 3. Now pull the yarn tail tightly to close the magic ring. Then we're gonna make a slip stitch into the middle of our ring. So just insert your hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then pull it through the loop on your hook. And you can now cut the yarn. Pull that yarn tail up through the loop. Then take both yarn tails and tie them together to secure them. And trim these yarn tails now. So now we've finished making our mini heart. I hope this tutorial was simple and easy enough for you to follow. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and happy crocheting.